Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Mashoni here, and we're going to be doing some oral blending. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the sounds in various words, and I'd like you to listen to the sounds and then blend them into words. And I want you to try to say the word before I say the word. So the first word that we're going to do, E. Free. Did you beat me? Next word, E. Tree. Next, E. Z. Trees. Fourth word, E. Z. Breeze. Fifth word, E. Z. Bees. Okay, hopefully you were able to hear those sounds, blend them into words, and say the word before I do. Now the next 5 words are similar in one way. So as we do the sounds and you blend them into words, hopefully before me, I want you to think about how are these 5 words related. First one, cheese. Next, bread. Chips. Next, grapes. 5 sounds that time. The next one also has 5 sounds. This is our last word. Shrimp. Now, how are those words all similar? Did you say they're food items? Good job.